guys, it's your girl Tessie.
And it's your boy Like Sevens.
Welcome back to the Blue
Fancy.
Anyway guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe right now. Anyway guys, my love is making the video.
Yeah.
Najua mmeona hizo video zingine maybe. Tuko home, a new home.
What are you doing today?
What am I doing today? Guys, for today's video, it's a learning video. If you're there, this is a learning video. Najua utatoka hapa kama umelearn kitu. Kama si kulearn, umejua. Nikujua na nikulearn the same thing ama?
Yeah.
Anyway, utaelewa tu. So today's video is, as you have read down the description, it's how to clean your USB cable charger. Guys, juwe, is vitu they collect a lot of dust. There's one story sonisha ni mkono ni juu nimeshikilia a damp cloth over here. So I'm saying chargers get really dirty na people watu wanafaa wajue wenye wanafaa ku clean hizi vitu. So let's get to the video because sitaki kuonekana sana, you know. I'm at home doing my own business. So guys, welcome back. What we have on this fancy table of mine is first a sanitizer. This is lazima. And then my bow tie thingy here. And then my, you know, camera lens. And then there's my chihuahua. In your love, like in. And then the main thing we have here is a damp cloth soaked in, you know, soap. So, and this is my cable charger. As you can see, you can feel the difference from.
You can see
the difference, guys. Look. It's very dirty. USB cable, an iPhone 1, by the way. So what you're gonna do with this, first of all, I'm gonna, you know, wipe everything down, each and every edge, so that ikuwe white penye tu nilinunua. So we start with here. Remember, the damp cloth has a detergent in it. So carefully unashikilia hapa, not here. You hold here so that you're able to pull carefully so that usiharibu hiyo part ingine. Najua watu wengine wajui kufanya hivi. I know some of you are knowledgeable, mwingine mnajua, but this video is also helpful for those who don't know, because I'm very sure not everybody knows. So you see the difference. You see how it's coming out. Ini kebola jayo shamanzi.
Isn't miaka ngapi?
You can see the difference, guys. It's very easy, very simple to do it.
Have you done it with the sanitizer?
Not yet. I'll do it at the last moment. Right now I'm using soap in the socks. Remember, it's a damp cloth. Watu wamesikia hapo?
Yes.
Yeah. Unaona uchafu. Unaona? Very easy. Watu wengi hawashangi cable zao. Sindio? Ni kweli? And if iko na a crack somewhere, usijaribu kuweka maji hapo juu hapo. Niwe hapo umejiita. Umejiitishia kifo ya charger. Kaja hapo usaika. Anyway. So I'll be back. Let me do a rinsing and then I'll rinse it again and then I'll sanitize it with you guys. Sawa. Guys, I've rinsed my damp cloth right now and I'm wiping. At least sahi nikaa kurinse. Nikaa venye unaweza fua nguo and then you rinse. So, and then I'm done. Guys, by right now, mnafaa kuona difference. Ebu check out between these two pictures. Look, it's very clean. Sahi hata hakuna maki ya uchafu mahali. And this is clean. This is a clean cable. Guys. So the last thing what we do is we sanitize our cable juu hii corona thing. So lazima tu sanitize cable yetu. We avoid this corona shit. And our cable is voila, finished.
Wow.
Kama umjalan kitu najua huko nasikiza class vizuri.
But we should all check our chargers.
Because
chargers is easily kwanza shared.
In short, people share their chargers, people give out their chargers. So I'm just trying to make you know this is how you should clean your charger, and it's supposed to be clean like that, kwa sababu pia we can collect our germs and viruses through this charger. So with that, I hope you've learned something, and I hope you'll clean your charger if it looked like mine before.
Meanwhile,
Guys, I hope you've learned something from that video. If you have not subscribed, please hit the button subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share. So when you're on the land, I hope you're gonna go and clean the charger. Right now I have a clean charger, and let me go charge my phone. See you on the next video. Peace.